is stand up for me. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Very good. Now sit down. And sit down.
Myslím, že prístup týchto lektorov je veľmi pekný k deťom, majú kamarátsky vzťah.
Steve rozprával také srandičky.
A mne sa strašne páči, že je to vlastne formou hry.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, whose head? I don't know. I think it will be you.
Tie deti to úplne inak vnímajú, napríklad keď sedia v škôlke a keď na nich ten klasický slovenský učiteľ sa snaží tú angličtinu vštepiť.
Is that okay?
No!
Is that okay?
No!
Is that okay?
Tak deti sú viacej nútené rozprávať sa a donútiť sa rozprávať v tom danom jazyku. Hľadajú ťažšiu cestu k tomu, ako sa dozvedieť, čo chcú.
Zvolili sme si preto native speakera, pretože rozpráva v podstate celú dobu po anglicky na to dieťa. A to dieťa je nútené počúvať všetky vety, všetky povely a to, čo má robiť po anglicky. Čiže sa naučí úplne základné veci, ktoré by sa normálne pri bežnej výučbe so slovenským učiteľom nenaučil.
It's a nose. Very good. What is this? Yeah, so it's a mouth.
And let's sing. Hello everyone, tra-la-la-la. Hello everyone, tra-la-la-la-la. Hello everyone, tra-la-la-la. Hello everyone.
Nice job.
Okay, everybody, it's a fish. Can you get that fish? It's okay. Alright, what about this one?
Yeah, it's lots of fun. I enjoy being around the kids and singing songs and playing games all day.
Short and stout. He's my handle, he's my spout.
Obviously, all of our activities include English, whether they can recognise the words, and then later they have to produce the words themselves in games. And playing games is a good way to get them to use that language, because sometimes I think they don't even realise that they have to use their English, they just do it automatically.